Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. Today it's an unboxing of some items that I purchased online. Actually it's on eBay, and the store that I purchased these items from is called Spray Guns and Spares. Alright, so let me show you what I got, and hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so let me get started. Let me open the box so you can see the content. And these people, this company actually sent me a couple of extra items that weren't included on the package that I bought, but I want to thank them. Okay, so let me open it up, see what's inside. Alright guys, let's start off. Open the box. And right off the bat, they gave me a spray gun cleaning maintenance tool, spray gun cleaning kit from Iwata. They gave me a pressure gauge, also by Iwata. Has a quick release. All right. They gave me two of the high flow fittings from Iwata also. They also sent me two of the PPS cups adapters. So you kind of know where I'm going with this. It's going to be two guns that I bought. So they also sent me a shirt. And they also sent this. This one actually comes with the kit. The kit includes two guns, and they're Supernovas. One of them is, I'll show them to you right now, but the kit comes with this also. Right there. And this is a cleaning spray. So you can put your wax and grease remover here, spray it on the car. Just all you need to do is just wipe it off. They sent this with it, and like I said, this one comes with the kit. Alright, let me open one of the guns. And they're nicely packed. They packed them real good. Right there, this is the first one. These guns come with a cup. They do come with a cup right here. The tool, so you can disassemble it, and the cleaning brush, which it's not necessary because they sent me a cleaning tool. Right there. This is the LS400 Intech 1.3 needle nozzle, and this is for paint. All of these items are gonna be genuine. There's no copies. These are all genuine Iwatas, and this is one of them. Now the other one, let me put this back and I'll open the other one. Alright, this is the other one. And this one, it's the same thing in the package. I have the cup, I have the tool to disassemble it, but this gun's gonna be the WS400 Evil. This is the clear gun. Alright, so this is what I got, this is what I bought. And like I said, the kit includes these two guns and the the cleaning tool, which is this one. This is what it includes. They included the other items. I thank them very much, and I'll leave all the information to their eBay page on the description below, so that you can go and take a look at the guns, take a look at what they have, and get yourself some of these. And this is it, guys. These are the guns that I got. Like I said, guys, I'll leave all the information for their webpage, for their eBay page, and go take a look at what they have and get yourself some of these guns. They have a lot of different type of guns. All right, so this will be it for this little unboxing, guys. I thank you very much. There's more videos to come this coming weekend, and thank you. All right, like the video, share the video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you this coming weekend. All right, guys, thank you, and like always, God bless.